Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Islamabad, Pakistan. مفسر قرآن امام فخر الدین رازی نور اللہ مقصدہ کا فرمان مبارک اللہ تعالی کے انوار و تجلیات قبول کرنے کی استعداد کا ذریعہ درود شریف ہے. اللہ پاک ہمیں زیادہ سے زیادہ درود شریف پڑھنے کی توفیق عطا فرمائے. آمین. Advanced class, free online English language classes, English language course, advanced class. Lesson number 33, talking to new neighbor. Talking to new neighbor. Neighbor, padosi. Sometimes we shift to another area, or some people move to our area, to our street, to our town, and they are our new neighbor, or sometimes we become new neighbor. So two neighbors are talking to each other. One is old, previous living there, and one is new neighbor. So let's listen. What do they talk? The old one says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I think you are new to this neighborhood. Pados. Yes, we shifted from Karachi when last week. We shifted from Karachi in the last week, or we moved from Karachi last week. What's your name, please? My name's Ali. So then you tell him about your name. I'm Ehsanullah. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you too. आपसे भी मिलकर बड़ी खुशी. I live in house number 5, just in front of you, opposite to your house. In the double-story house? हाँ, वो जो सामने double story है उसमें रहते हैं. Okay, I understood. I got it. We have been living here for the last 5 years. It's a good neighborhood. बहुत अच्छा पड़ोस है, बहुत अच्छा मोहल्ला है. हम पिछले 5 साल से इधर रह रहे हैं. Oh, that's great to hear about these people. तो अच्छे लोग हैं, इनके बारे में सुनकर तो खुशी हुई. My cell number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can call or text me anytime if you face any problem. Thank you so much. You are a really nice person. What about shopping? Do you need to go for shopping somewhere? Yeah, I want to go for shopping today evening. Where's the main market? It's over there near the park. Over there. It's there. It's over there. वो वहां पर है, near the park. Okay, and where can I deposit the bill? You can do it online You can deposit the bill online or in the nearest قریب ترین bank. I don't have internet yet. Abhi filhal. I don't have internet, so I'll have to go to the bank. Have to. Jana padta hai. I have to. Mujhe jana padega to the bank. Don't worry. You may use my Wi-Fi for some days until jab tak you get the connection. Thank you, but I may use my phone data for it. Fine, okay, dear. I have to rush to the market. Rush, भागना पड़ेगा मुझे, दौड़ना पड़ेगा, जाना पड़ेगा, भागकर. So, see you some other time. चलो फिर कभी मिलेंगे. See you. So, this was discussion between these two neighbors. And now let's listen and repeat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Mr. Zahid and Mulazim Hussain Saab is old neighbor, and Hafiz Saab and Uzair Saab is new neighbor. ठीक है, तो आप दोनों अपने अपने डायलॉग रिपीट करेंगे, दूसरे के नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके जी. So, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
ये दो बंदे, ठीक है? दो बंदे की जोड़ी है. दो बंदे ओल्ड है, दो बंदे न्यू है. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank
you.
I think you're new to this neighborhood.
I think
Yes.
you're new to
We
this
moved from Karachi last week.
I think you're new to this neighborhood.
I think you're new to this neighborhood.
Ji, Zahid Saab and Mulazim Saab, you are all neighbor. So repeat the dialogue of all neighbor.
Yes.
Yes,
I
we
think
moved from
you're-
Karachi last week.
Yes, we moved from Karachi last week.
What's your name, please?
What's your name?
What's your name, please?
My name's Ali.
My name's Ali.
I'm Ehsanullah.
I'm
I'm
Ihsanullah.
Ihsanullah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
I live in house 5 just in front of you.
I live in house
I
number
live
5,
in house
just
number
in front of
5,
you.
just in front of you.
In the double-story house?
In the double-story house.
Okay.
Okay.
We've been living here for the last 5 years.
You've
We have
been
been
living here for the
here
last
for
5
last
years.
5 years.
We've been living here for the last 5 years.
We've been living
We've been living
here for the
here
last
for
5
the
years.
last 5 years.
It's a good neighborhood.
It's a good neighborhood.
Good neighborhood.
Oh, that's good to hear about these people.
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 My cell number is 12345.
My cell
My
number
cell
is
number
1 2
is
3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
6
You can call or text me anytime if you face any problem.
You can call or text me anytime if you
face any problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You are really nice person.
You're a really nice person.
Hey, what about shopping?
Hey, what about shopping?
What about shopping?
Yeah, I wanna go for shopping today evening.
Yeah, I wanna go for shopping today evening.
Where is the main market?
Where is the main market?
Where's the main market?
Where's the main market?
It's over there near the park.
It's over there near
Over there
the
near
park.
the park.
It's over there near the park.
It's
It's
over there near the park.
near the park.